Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 17,511 with a decent weekly gain of 315 points, or in terms of percentage it was a gain of 1.83%. Now here are the few observations of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from the technical perspective. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has formed a higher top higher bottom formation and was able to close above its 20-week simple moving average, which indicates positive undertone of the market. Talking about the daily charts, the Nifty was able to successfully surpass above its 20-day simple moving average and was able to give a close above its, which has provided some kind of relief specifically from short to medium term perspective to the market. In the current week, we have seen that the Nifty has taken a strong support in the zone of 16,900, where it has formed a double bottom price pattern indicating that the index is bottoming out in the zone of 16,900 from short to medium term perspective. Talking about support and resistance level, crucial support for Nifty is placed at 17,300, which is the gap support area, and below that at 16,900. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 17,600, which is the swing high, and above that at 18,210, which is the previous 5 weeks high. Talking about the momentum indicators, daily momentum indicators like RSI has sustained above the 50 mark, and also it has created a positive divergence specifically in the zone of 16,900, which indicates positive momentum is slowly and steadily coming into the market. So what could be the possible strategy or how to trade the Nifty in such situations? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side and the intermediate correction seems to be coming to an end, traders are advised to wait and go long in the support zone, specifically around 16,900 to 17,000, with a strict stop loss placing at 16,900 for all their existing long position as well as fresh new long position which they create in the next week. Now let us talk about Bank Nifty, how Bank Nifty seems to be from technical perspective. In the current week, we have seen that the Bank Nifty has outperformed the Nifty on the daily charts specifically for this week. In this week, we have seen that the Bank Nifty has formed a higher top, higher bottom formation, indicating the positive sentiment specifically for this index from short to medium term perspective. On the daily chart, the Bank Nifty was able to sustain above its 200-day simple moving average, indicating a sign of bottoming out of this index from short to medium term perspective. Daily momentum indicators of Bank Nifty are trading above 45 marks, which shows that initial positive momentum, at least from short term perspective, is coming into the market. Talking about support and resistance level, crucial support for Nifty is placed at, Bank Nifty is placed at 35,327, which is the previous 3-week low, and below that 34,815, while on the higher side, key supply for Bank Nifty is placed at 37,285 and above that at 38,241. Now for the next week, we have identified 2 stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Dlf Limited. One can go long around 417 with a strict stop loss placing at 395. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 450. Another counter which seems to be strongly positive from technical perspective is Asian Paint Limited. It is a Nifty 50 stock. One can go long at current market price, that is 3283, with a stop loss placing at 3175. This stock has an upside potential of 3455. So friend, that's it for the current week. If you like our technical commentary as well as our stock pick, you are requested to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as please follow some social media like Twitter and Instagram. Thank you very much for joining us and listening us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.